Hey!
Welcome back to my channel, my lovely peeps. I'm in the kitchen again today.
Alright, so tell me what you making.
So today, I'm just gonna make something simple, a tin mackerel.
Alright, nice. What's the ingredients?
So here I have a tin mackerel. I like the one in brine because I don't like the one in tomato sauce. And I have my complete season. I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt if I need it, some black pepper, obe, and a little vinegar because you know it's fish, and my cooking oil. I have all my onions and tomatoes and bell peppers and garlic here.
Nice, nice.
So right here now I'm gonna just start cutting up my bell peppers because I like bell peppers in my mackerel when I cook. This is the garlic, so I'm just gonna do like that. Alright, so that's it for that. So I'm just gonna go in with some olive oil. I have a scotch bonnet pepper here, I forget it. Well, you know, with mackerel you have to put a little pepper in there.
It's a little spicy, but it's not too bad.
Not too spicy, but let me just go in with my
Veggies.
veggies now. Wait, let me kind of crush these out some. Just getting my tomato sauce softened a little bit. Yeah. Alright, give it a minute or two, then I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put a pinch of balsamic vinegar in there because you know this is fish. So you can put some in there. Just to give it that extra kick. Oh, you should smell this, the aroma coming from it. Smells so good. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave that there for another second. Alright, so this is ready. Okay, nice. Green seasoning is cooked, so I'm just gonna go in with my mackerel now. And you know, some people like the mackerel in the tomato sauce, but me personally I don't like it. I prefer the one in brine, so that's why I use this one. So I'm just gonna go in with some obe just to flavor it up. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with some complete seasoning, some black pepper, going with a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna stir that in. And let me taste this again. Oh, so that tastes pretty good, guys. And there you have it, it's almost done. And this is it, guys. It's finished. It's done. Alright guys, so there you have it, my version of tin mackerel. Alright, so I'm having it now with some fried dumpling. And this tastes so good. So guys, please like my video, share my video, tell me what you think, and I will see you in another one. Thank you and God bless. It's off a little.
Mm-hmm.